The most important events that happened on December 22nd, 69 AD. Emperor Vitellius is executed. In the turbulent streets of Rome, the short-reigned Emperor Vitellius met a grim fate. Overthrown by his rival Vespasian's forces, Vitellius's demise underscored the Year of the Four Emperors, a period of political upheaval that saw the rise and fall of four Roman leaders in rapid succession. 1216, Pope Honorius III approves the Dominican order within the sacred chambers of the Vatican. Pope Honorius III officially recognized the order of preachers, commonly known as the Dominicans. Founded by St. Dominic, this order would become instrumental in intellectual and theological advancements during the Middle Ages. 1769, Sino-Russian Treaty of Kyoto is signed. Against the backdrop of shifting geopolitical sands, Russia and the Qing dynasty of China inked the Treaty of Kyoto. This agreement redrew the borders, promoting peace and facilitating trade between the two vast empires. 1808, Ludwig van Beethoven premieres Symphony No. 5 and 6 in a Viennese concert hall. Audiences were treated to the first performance of Beethoven's iconic Symphony No. 5 and the evocative Symphony No. 6, Pastoral. This musical evening heralded a transformative era in classical music, with Beethoven's compositions setting the gold standard. 1891, asteroid 323 Brusha becomes the first to be discovered via photography. As telescopes scanned the night sky, the asteroid 323 Brusha etched its place in history as the first asteroid discovered using photography. This marked a turning point in astronomical methods and signified the power of technology in aiding celestial discoveries. 1937, the Lincoln Tunnel opens to traffic, connecting New York City and New Jersey. The first tube of the Lincoln Tunnel officially opened its gates to traffic. This engineering marvel not only eased transportation between the two regions but also stood as a testament to the ingenuity of its time. 1964, the State Route 71 Blackbird makes its maiden flight above the expanses of California. The State Route 71 Blackbird, a marvel of aviation, soared through the skies for the first time. Designed for reconnaissance, this jet would set records for speed and altitude, becoming an iconic symbol of Cold War-era aviation. 1989, Berlin's Brandenburg Gate reopens. As the specter of the Cold War began to fade, Berlin's iconic Brandenburg Gate, once a symbol of division, reopened, paving the way for Germany's reunification. The event marked a poignant moment in history, with throngs of people celebrating the end of decades of separation. 2001, Richard Reed's shoe bombing attempt. On a transatlantic flight, Richard Reed, an extremist, attempted to detonate explosives hidden in his shoes. While passengers and crew members thwarted the attempt, the incident led to heightened security measures in airports worldwide, including the now familiar removal of shoes during security checks. 2010, President Obama repeals "Don't Ask, Don't Tell" in a landmark move for LGBTQ+ rights. U.S. President Barack Obama signed the repeal of the "Don't Ask, Don't Tell" policy. This monumental decision ensured that individuals could serve openly in the military, irrespective of their sexual orientation. From the echoing corridors of ancient Rome to the bustling streets of modern cities, December 22nd serves as a window into the triumphs, trials, innovations, and evolutions that have shaped the course of human history.
Did you know? The subscribe button is like the library's version of a chocolate chip cookie. Every time you hit it, a book on a library shelf gets an extra sprinkle of fairy dust. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to sprinkle some magic, Don't forget to like and subscribe to our library channel.